To take a screenshot from a video on Gallery app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the required video. To make it easier, tap the pause icon to pause the video. Long tap the video thumbnail and then swipe it to the right or left to find the part of the video you like to capture. Now tap the screenshot icon at the bottom left of the video to take a screenshot, and then you can tap the screenshot thumbnail to view the screenshot on Gallery app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.